Hello out there to you. In this video, it's a little different. I'm going to use a tool in Microsoft PowerPoint to turn the formula that I drew into something that's typed. So I wrote this out. I wrote marginal utility of the first product divided by price of the first product equals marginal utility of the second product divided by the price of the second product. I wrote that handwriting, and then this is utility maximization formula. And then I'm going up to here. I'm in the Draw tab, and then I want Ink to Math. So it calls this writing I did Ink. So you're going to click on the lasso, and I'm going to lasso everything, and it highlights everything there. And then I click Ink to Math, Ink to Math, and it turned it into a an equation for me. Now I got most of it right. You can see that's supposed to be an M, not an N, but that's easy to change. I just change it to the cursor up there, and I change that to an M, and I'm all set. And this is even subscript for me. And so if you didn't want, it's got two fractions. This is exactly what I wanted. So that would be the Ink to Math formula. You could also use Ink to Text, but this is Ink to Math, and it writes your formula for you. It types it.